Hey everybody, today we're going to be taking a peek into the SaxTuition Beginner Series and looking at a couple of exercises that you can practice to keep your fingers resting on the keys. Of course, keeping your fingers resting on the keys is a great habit to get into because as we start to play fast, our fingers have got to be there ready to press the keys down. They can't be flying around. So we're going to drop in right after the new note of C sharp is introduced, so let's take a look.
So straight off the bat, we have a new note, which is C sharp. Now, this is an easy fingering to remember because there's no keys down. I must warn you though, when you go to play this note, try not to take your fingers off the keys because it can be very tempting to do. Now, as I've mentioned before, you want to avoid at all costs big movements like this so that we can be ready to play the next note in the phrase. Now, exercise 24 is a great way to practice just that, as we're moving from a C sharp to D and working the octave key with our thumb also. Now, remember with the octave key, we just want to rock our thumb forward like this. Now, again, this is to avoid any unnecessary movement. So what we should have is something like this. Now, keep an eye on my fingers. Exercise 25 is another great exercise around the break of the saxophone that utilizes the C sharp. And again, watch my fingers as I do this one.